sir. That's what happens, man.
When your car can't make it. Decide when your car can't make it, man.
They don't got the whip on them for this snow right here. It's got bust the corner. When you need dish soap, you need dish soap, nigga. It is what it is. No cap. My hand's freezing. Got y'all niggas later. Oh, sir. Niggas in the group with it. You already know, man. Niggas need some ketchup in it, bit, man. All I need is some ketchup. See it? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Exactly what that nigga looking for. The ultra deluxe. The ultra deluxe citrus, nigga. We valid. I need some ketchup. You ain't getting nothing else from me? Once I get my ultra deluxe, they ain't got no milkshakes, so that's rats for that. All I need is some ketchup now, and I'm out of here, man. Big trips, you know. Wherever the ketchup at, we valid. Wherever the ketchup at, we valid. I need a bigger one though. No cap. No cap, bro. Oh yeah. Got the ketchup. Get the ketchup. The red hot on that. You getting the red hot?
Nah, you gotta get this Jamaican shit.
I low-key might get.
Red hot not bad though.
I might just get it so I can put this on my chicken, bro.
Nah, yeah, red hot not bad. You don't fuck with the original shit?
Oh wait, hold on. What is this?
That's the buffalo shit.
Nah, the Thousand Island dressing. What is this?
Nigga, that shit look like Italian mixed with fucking the white shit, nigga.
Oh, they got ranch.
Italian and ranch mixed together, bro. That's what that look like.
I'm getting sauces. Really, I'm
Italian,
GG.
this shit fire.
I'm about to just get these and I'm good. Just hold these to me. This is the only thing I'm bringing up. Niggas got the buffalo.
Why you don't fuck with the original shit, nigga?
I think that's buffalo, nigga. Ketchup, shit. I'm valid in it. Everything else at the crib valid, boy.
You don't even got, trust me, at the other store, they got that shit, Caribbean shit.
Oh, they got the Cheetos mac and cheese flaming hot.
That's the ghetto shit, nigga.
We grabbing that just cause, man. I'm gonna bring these down. We on to the next. Oh, hold on.
You grab it, word.
Yeah, grab it. That's what you want. This forks and spoons and everything, nigga. Oh, this is only forks right here. It's depending on what you want to grab. If you want that, you grab that. If you don't want it, you don't gotta grab it. But you got the full plate and shit. That's what happens when it's a snowstorm. Niggas forget to get some shit, man. Niggas gotta get active. Get active, boy. The bag is secure. This thing got a big ass bag. I got my backpack on me. This is why I got my heater on my room, nigga. As soon as I get back into the crib, nigga.
Backpack and Glocky.
Backpack and Glocky, nigga. The Glock as in like the phone. We got an iPhone on us.
This nigga still shoveling.
So yeah, and then on top of that, niggas got a shovel. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not pulling shit right now.
Not till this shit stop.
Not till this shit calm down, cause I gotta go to work. So niggas think I'm about to really be sitting here doing all that?
Dub.
That's a dub, bro.
See the door open? No hesitation going in.
Word too, nigga. But that was a little successful trip, you know. A piece of advice: never forget the dish soap and the ketchup, or you gonna be beat.
Yo.
Word gang.
Yo.
But yeah, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get back into the crib, man.
Yeah. Yo, tweaked out. Tweaked out, bro. You would think the Alfredo was supposed to calm it down, nigga. That shit feel like that shit.
You made jerk.
Yeah. Bro, don't be surprised you see me selling plates, bro. I'm trying to get my bread back, bro.
Yo. Whole plate got messed up, bro. John was supposed to simply make a simple plate, bro. John made jerk extra Alfredo, bro. All the ingredients that niggas got is gone,
You know how when you cook, bro, you taste while you're going, bro. You always taste while you're adding too, like while you're adding shit. Especially if you don't know how much you add, like you always taste. Nigga, this bitch, she don't taste shit. Nigga, she just made it, nigga. Nigga, she went off how it looked, bro.
Yo.
Bro,
It's bad, bro.
that shit brown.
It's bad.
She tried to act.
Yo, I still got a headache. I ain't taking a bite of that shit. Yo, it's straight jerk fettuccine, nigga. Whole bottle gone, bro.
Gang, they cannot do it like him. Nobody shooting like him. Gang, nobody doing like him. That nigga hate everyone cause he broke, and that's why nobody like him. Gang, SD Gum, now he talking this shit.